Minutes Tech. Today we are going to be taking a look at the world's first phone with an inbuilt gimbal, the Vivo X50 Pro 5G. Yes, see that big camera staring at you? That's the one they call the Big Eye. So this is what you can be expecting to receive when you buy the device. The X50 Pro in the Alpha Grey looks and feels every bit premium in the hand, and the 90Hz AMOLED display is very smooth and responsive. Technical specifications aside, we all know that the gimbal camera is the main star for this device. First up, selfie camera. The selfies come with the usual beauty filters, but the X50 comes with some additional effects that are actually pretty decent. And now let's jump straight into the gimbal main camera. The gimbal starts working the moment you switch on the camera, enabling you to do smoother panning shots. When you start shaking things up a bit, the gimbal's work becomes more apparent, and when you need more stabilized footage, just tap on the ultra stable mode. Here you sacrifice a little range as the image will be less wide, but you get an extra boost in stabilization. So how good will the footages be? I'll leave it to you guys to decide. Remember, if you like this video, remember to tap subscribe and the notification button below. Alright, now let's take a look at the video taken by the X50 Pro.